Hello everyone. Are you struggling with ODBC connection errors? Specifically, the data source name not found or no default driver specified errors? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people encounter these problems when trying to connect to databases. Today, we'll walk through troubleshooting these common issues. Let's get started and get your connections working again. First, let's address the data source name not found error. This error typically means your application can't locate the data source name, DSN, you're trying to use. The DSN acts like a shortcut, pointing to your database and driver settings. To fix this, let's verify the DSN exists. Open your ODBC Data Source Administrator. You can find this by searching for ODBC Data Sources in your Windows search bar. Check both the User DSN and System DSN tabs. Make sure the DSN you're trying to use is listed. If it's missing, you'll need to create a new one. Click Add and select the appropriate driver for your database. Fill in the required information, like the database name, server address, and user credentials. Test the connection to ensure it works. Now, let's talk about the no default driver specified error. This usually means the system doesn't know which ODBC driver to use. This can happen if the correct driver isn't installed or properly configured. The solution is to install the correct driver for your database system. For example, if you're connecting to a SQL Server database, you'll need the SQL Server ODBC driver. You can download drivers from your database vendor's website. Make sure you download the correct version for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After installing, restart your computer. This ensures the system recognizes the new driver. Then, create or modify the DSN in the ODBC Data Source Administrator. Select the newly installed driver when prompted. Remember to test the connection to confirm everything is working correctly. Another potential cause is incorrect environment variables. Sometimes, the system path doesn't include the directory containing the ODBC drivers. Adding the drivers directory to the system path can resolve this issue. This is a more advanced solution. Be careful when modifying system variables. Finally, ensure your application is using the correct connection string. The connection string specifies the parameters for connecting to the database. Double-check the DSN name, driver, and other settings in the connection string. Even a small typo can cause connection errors. By systematically checking these points, you can identify and resolve most ODBC connection issues. Remember to test your connections after each step. This helps pinpoint the exact cause of the problem. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you resolve your ODBC connection issues. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Leaving a comment is much appreciated if you still need help.